Hey, my name is Giridhar and I'm going to walk you through YouTube integration for Auris, which is a SaaS product built by GenY Medium Labs. So this is the website for our product. People can come and they can register, they can sign up here, and once they sign up, I'm just going to take you through the process of the platform login and YouTube integration. So here I've taken one demo account, ravi@genwylabs.io. This is a little bit of a super view, but what an end user who has registered on the website would probably see is something like this, command center. So this is a social listening platform where we bring in feed from variety of sources, Facebook, Google, My Business Reviews, YouTube, Twitter. So there's plenty of sources data that comes into this platform, and managers or the people who are subscribing to our platform to manage their brand, you can say engagement, reputation, and so it's a social listening product. So I'll quickly take you through the way users would integrate YouTube. So they would find this integrations tab, and here you have YouTube integration already done. So you kind of pop up different integrations in the system. Since it's already done, it's not allowing me to reconnect here. So I can just probably try and edit it. So what happens is we allow users to connect their YouTube brand channel account with the platform, and when they kind of connect that, we bring the OAuth consent screen. Since it is not verified, let me just so you kind of have this consent screen where they can choose to accept the permissions. They can deny, they can cancel. So let me just cancel that, and so what I'm going to show is once they have integrated their account, so I will take a last month's data because I know there is some data for their YouTube. This is Parkway Pantai Hospital based in Hyderabad, India. So I will take social and YouTube. So essentially they get to see all the comments made on their channel and channel videos. They can engage with the users, they can reply, they can get back to users. They can also, they get to see if their brand name is mentioned or they have posted some new content, whatever. So we also use YouTube search to discover videos and allow them to kind of manage YouTube as a channel. Whole exercise of integration is all about, and they can choose to play and hear the videos. So any questions regarding this integration, feel free to reach out to me at giri@genylabs.io.